Hey everyone, this is day 5 of the sea monkeys. They just hatched a few days ago and seem to have had the camera a little bit closer. But as you can see they're coming along quite nicely. Could barely see them. Had to use the macro lens last week. Now you can actually see them. Quite a few. That's just the bottom of the drum. You can definitely see them a bit better at the bottom. On the camera so it can. I'm using the phone camera, S8 Galaxy. I have got a GoPro, but I couldn't get in too close with it. It was just not the best for close-ups, like within a few centimeters. But the phone manages okay to get a few centimeters, like these type of microscopic shots. And the macro lens fits on it as well. So there you go. I'll do another update in another week. This is just week 1. Well, 5 days really. And they're coming along brilliant. I've hatched quite a lot more than what I expected. Thousands of them in there. I expect to see a lot of them die off because there was I watched a lot of other videos on them, and you're lucky if they end up with 3 or 4 as they get bigger and older. I don't know if that's because they don't feed them properly or they do something wrong. I don't know, but I'll find out in a couple of weeks. Find out in another week, see what the progress is, and they should look a lot bigger.